One of the key benefits of using Speakable's practice and assessment activities with students is that the system can automatically take students' responses to spoken and written open response questions and organize them into a portfolio. And then every month it can look at those responses for each student and estimate where they would land on a particular proficiency standard. It can estimate the level. So what we're looking at here on the screen is my portfolio for my Spanish responses over the course of time, and it's estimating my proficiency level based on the ACTFL standards. There's 3 tabs here below the chart. There's a summary, so overall performance, you can see my strengths and areas where I can improve. It's also pulling out evidence, so it's saying here's where we think Austin landed: novice high for speaking, novice mid for writing, overall between those 2, novice high. So here's some examples of responses that are the evidence of those levels. And then of course we can see all of the responses here in a table and see all of that student's work. And there are 9 proficiency standards currently supported that include ACTFL, WIDA, TELPAS, CEFR, the California Language Development Standards, and more.